Here's a quick tour of the family history tool we've been developing. So here's the link, familyhistory.github.com. That's also where the version code hosting is being done. There is a quick introduction where some links are provided to document the pursuit of these two goals. One is to use cloud and social computing to collect and manage family medical histories, such that the patient, in collaboration with the biomedical facilities, so that's the second goal, participated partnership with the biomedical facilities, contributing to the patient's medical history. So such that the patient controls all the information describing him or her, and the information provided by the biomedical facilities can join this distributed partnership, really this distributed informatics infrastructure. You can read more about it here. So let's get started. You have two choices. One is to have a look at the mechanism that allows for the use of this cloud and social computing sort of infrastructure. Let's do it here. If you do this, instead of going straight in, you get some information about who you are and what parameters are being used to handle this exchange. Then you click on the family history button here. If you don't click on this button, if you just go straight for login, oops, sorry about that, you just log in automatically. Okay, so there are two options right now. One of them is the family history, and the second one is the Fusion Tables. Google Fusion Tables is what underlies this tool. So specifically, the backend of the patient information is stored here. So let's have a quick look. You can read more about this elsewhere. For instance, if you look at some of the TCG information, you get the full table here. This is just a table I pulled from the web about state populations. This is more clinical data from the Cancer Genome Atlas. If you click on the icon, you get the full document with the document ID here, where you can benefit from the permission management system that Google enables for this tool. And if you click on permissions, you find out that, for instance, this table was generated from the TCG data by David Robbins and is sharing it with me, but is not allowing me to edit. So that sort of nuanced control is possible in this system. Okay, let's go back to the tool and now have a quick look at the family history. So let's load some history documented using the Surgeon General's tool. So most of you will know about this. Information generated in this tool can be saved as an XML file. So let's load this file. There it is. So this could be the point of entry for your use of this system. The Surgeon General tools uses an old-fashioned XML file where each of the relatives has the same structure, but your relatives won't be able to control their own descriptions. You won't be able to partner with them. So you won't be able to partner neither with your relatives nor with the biomedical facilities helping document your family history. And let's see, just before we finish, okay, this is useful too. The abstraction that underlies our ability to use social networking infrastructure is called OAuth, specifically version 2. And even if you don't care about this abstraction, it's useful to have a look at in your Google account to see what sorts of resources were given access to do what with your account. Then you get the code here, so if you're interested to, or you want to fork some of the data, the code we've been developing, you can fork it here. And what else? Oh, okay. Then one last word about the existence of a wiki, where you can find out more about the ontology of the system, how the architecture is being designed, and also this may be interesting, what publications have documented our previous trajectory to the point where we are now. It may explain some of the architectural options and how the semantic web and cloud computing are being integrated in this exploit. Alright, let's stop here. This is just the first draft of the prototype. I'm sure there'll be a lot more soon.